Hello, today we will be making a balloon. This is very nice, you can play with it. This is a traditional Japanese design. So first you want to take a square. Let's start by folding this in half like this. And like that, we fold it in half. You want to flip this over and fold this diagonal. This can be either diagonal because we are going to fold both diagonals. Now, once you've gotten that, we can do something cool. And see how this paper kind of like pops up? Now, I just gave you a sneak peek there, but you're essentially going to just push this together and you got it. So what you want to do is you can orient it like this and fold along this edge like this, and then this edge like this, and just flatten it completely. All the creases you've made should just collapse it into this shape. This is a water bomb base. Next, you want to fold all corners to the top like this. So first, this right corner, and then next, this left corner, and you want to flip the paper and do the same thing on the other sides, like this. So paper will look kind of like this. Next, you want to fold all four corners again, but this time these corners, and you want to fold it approximately in the middle. Now, it doesn't matter if you get it perfectly or not, but definitely your balloon will look much better the closer it is to the middle. And so again, like last time, you want to fold both to the center, fold both corners, and then flip it over and do the same thing. Great, now that you have finished this, there should be, I guess there's 5 flaps, but you want to focus on the 4 flaps. Now, first you want to take one flap and you want to fold this so that this edge reaches the side edge. So, as you can see, I folded it so it kind of looks like this, and so go ahead and do that for the rest of these 4 flaps. You'll still have a little point up here. That's okay, but what you really want to focus on is these 4 flaps. Make sure those all look the same. And now you want to take each of these flaps, fold it up a little bit, and as you can see, there's a little pocket here. If you want to open that up with your finger there, you've got a pocket. And now you can actually tuck this flap in. And remember, it's in the pocket, not under this flap. So if you just put it under the flap, then this flap will just flop open. So you want to, you can press with your thumb and put that paper inside the flap. And same with these sides. You want to take the paper, you can open up with your thumb, tuck that flap inside on each pocket. Great, now your balloon is technically done, but we still have not inflated the balloon with air. And so if you look closely, this side does not have a hole in it. This is the top of your water bomb base, top of your balloon, and this side actually has a hole in it. So if you kind of open it a little bit, and if you blow really hard into that hole, so just blow right into that hole really hard, then look, it is all inflated. And if you want to, you can kind of tidy up the shape a little bit so it looks more like a cube. And you got your very own balloon.